Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have this memory power bank. So you can use it as a memory card reader, a phone stand, a charger. Okay. Let's open it up. Pretty thick manual here. Here it is. You see it's using Lightning. Has two bars right now. Has a little flashlight here. I guess you press, nope, hold it. There you go. The light is on and off. Then we have a USB-C, USB-A. You can also read memory cards. Phone stand. And then you can remove this cable here. So you can charge USB-C. You can also use it as a, memory card. Yep, there we go. Use it for your memory cards. Charge your phone. SD card, flashlight. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.